One of the most consequential decisions any organization makes is who it hires. These decisions shape productivity, workplace culture, ethical climate, and long-term success. Industrial psychology focuses on bringing scientific rigor and fairness to this process by applying psychological principles to employee selection, evaluation, and development. At the foundation of employee selection is job analysis. Job analysis involves systematically identifying the tasks, responsibilities, skills, and competencies required for a particular role. Rather than relying on vague job titles or informal impressions, industrial psychologists use structured methods, such as observations, interviews, and questionnaires, to define what a job truly entails. Accurate job analysis is essential because all subsequent selection and evaluation processes depend on it. Once a job is clearly defined, organizations turn to recruitment and selection. Industrial psychologists help design hiring processes that aim to predict future job performance. These processes may include structured interviews, cognitive ability tests, personality assessments, and work sample tasks. The goal is not merely to identify the most impressive candidate, but to identify the candidate whose abilities and traits best align with the job's demands. A central concern in selection is the reliability and validity of assessment tools. Reliability refers to consistency, whether a tool produces stable results across time and evaluators. Validity refers to accuracy, whether the tool actually measures what it claims to measure and predicts job performance. Industrial psychology emphasizes evidence-based hiring practices because unstructured interviews and subjective judgments are particularly vulnerable to bias. After hiring, attention shifts to performance appraisal. Performance evaluations serve multiple purposes, providing feedback, guiding promotions, identifying training needs, and documenting performance for administrative decisions. However, appraisals are also a common source of dissatisfaction and conflict. Biases such as the halo effect, leniency, and recency effects can distort evaluations, undermining both fairness and accuracy. Industrial psychologists advocate for structured appraisal systems that use clear criteria and multiple sources of information. When evaluations are transparent and development-oriented rather than punitive, they are more likely to motivate improvement and trust. Another critical area of industrial psychology is training and development. Organizations do not simply select talent, they cultivate it. Effective training programs are grounded in learning theory and are evaluated for their impact on performance. Leadership development, in particular, has become a major focus, as organizations recognize that technical competence alone does not guarantee effective leadership. Throughout all of these processes, ethical considerations remain central. Decisions about hiring, evaluation, and promotion affect livelihoods and dignity. Industrial psychology therefore emphasizes fairness, equity, and respect for individual differences. When applied responsibly, industrial psychology helps organizations make better decisions while protecting the well-being of their employees.